Welcome to CodeMaze, your interactive path to mastering C++. In this video, we're diving into the world of C++ programming, one of the most powerful and widely used languages in the world. C++ is a general-purpose programming language developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in the early 1980s. It's an extension of the C programming language, with added features like classes, objects, and templates that make it perfect for modern software development. Today, C++ powers everything from high-performance games and operating systems, to embedded systems, financial trading platforms, and even AI tools. Its ability to combine low-level memory access with high-level abstractions makes it incredibly versatile. So, why learn C++? Here are a few solid reasons. It helps you understand how memory and computers actually work. It teaches you the fundamentals of object-oriented programming. It opens doors to careers in system development, game dev, robotics, and more. Plus, once you master C++, learning other languages becomes much easier. Some core features of C++ include object-oriented programming, strong type checking, low-level memory manipulation, rich standard template library, fast execution, and high performance. To begin coding in C++, you'll need two things: a code editor or IDE like Visual Studio Code or Code Blocks. A C++ compiler such as GCC are the one included with Visual Studio. In this course, we'll start from the basics and gradually move to advanced concepts. You'll learn syntax and structure, variables and data types, loops and condition functions and arrays, classes, objects, and beyond. Studio microphone. By the end of this journey, you'll not only be able to write real-world C++ programs, but also understand how code translates into performance. So buckle up. Your coding adventure starts now.